First is the Youth and Sports Development Committee report on the meeting held on February 16, 2026 at the SB Session Hall to review the proposed municipal ordinance number 2026-381 entitled "An Functionality in Every Barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte." An ordinance institutionalizing a framework for the monitoring of the Sangguniang Kabataan functionality in every barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte. Honorable Loremia, please.
No. Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Kusog na ito tagtingog kay murag nakakaon naman. So, committee report for proposed municipal ordinance number 2026-381 entitled an ordinance institutionalizing a framework for the monitoring of Sangguniang Kabataan functionality in every barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte. I think, Honorable Chairman, that we have copy all of those. So, any correction na lang, Honorable Chairman? If wala, gray.
Honorable Loremia, I would just like to clarify. This is the ordinance that we talked about regarding the Sangguniang Kabataan assessment in line with the SGLG barangay.
SGLGB. Yes, Honorable Chairman.
This is to support the Sangguniang Kabataan in their performance during the assessment of the SGLGB. Okay, very nice. So, are there any questions, clarifications? None? Just a short summary. Again, this is to enhance our Sangguniang Kabataan office during their term inikabot sa SGLGB. They are already guided and priority projects and documents nga ilang i-prepare para makapasar sila sa SGLGB. Because I think as of now, naagyoy ubang mga barangay nga dili ka kuan ng iski, no? Dili ka pasar sa SGLGB. And this ordinance will help our Sangguniang Kabataan during the SGLGB. Of course, with the help of our LYDO, no, in the person of Jason Bindijo and the Local Youth Development Office and the DILG. No more further questions? Honorable Lamia, please, for the adoption and approval.
Thank you again, Honorable Chairman. I move for adoption and approval for the second reading. Ito ba? Second reading. I move for adoption and approval for the committee report on Committee on Youth and Sports Development. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Is a motion by Honorable Loremia for the adoption and approval of the committee report of Committee of Youth and Sports Development on the ordinance number 2026-381. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded, the motion is hereby approved. For the action,
I move for the approval for the second ordinance number 2026-381 entitled an ordinance institutionalizing a framework for the monitoring of Sangguniang Kabataan functionality in every barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte. On its second reading. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
there is a motion by Honorable Loremia for the approval of the second reading of the ordinance institutionalizing a framework for the monitoring of Sangguniang Kabataan functionality in every barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded, the motion is hereby approved. So, before we proceed, may I ask the opinion of the body that the approved second reading of the Committee on Youth and Sports will be subjected to public hearing. Supposedly, dili pa to siya angay second reading. First one, before the second reading. I-withdraw naman sa nato. Okay. Yes. So, may I request, Honorable Remia, for the repeal of your approved resolution? Repeal first. Repeal first. I-repeal sa yung...
I move to repeal the approved second reading of the Committee of Youth and Sports Development.
There is a motion by Honorable Remia to repeal the approved second reading of the Committee on Youth and Sports on the Ordinance number 2026-381 and entitled Ordinance Institutionalizing a Framework for the Monitoring of Sangguniang Kabataan Functionality in Every Barangay of Sugod, Southern Leyte. There is a motion. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby approved. So, Honorable Remia,
Yes, Honorable
furnish the copy of draft ordinance to our secretary, and then the secretary will schedule the public hearing. Just furnish her a copy, please, draft ordinance. Thank you.
Chairman. Chairman, noted.
Thank you. Next is the Environment and Infrastructure Committee report on the joint committee meeting held on February 27, 2026 at the SB Session Hall to treat the concern of Barangay San Miguel as presented during the session by the Punong Barangay as per submitted resolution number 29 series of 2026. Honorable Filer, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The joint committee meeting, the Committee on Environment and Infrastructure Committee's report on the joint committee meeting last February 27, 2026 at the SB Session Hall to treat the concern of Barangay San Miguel as presented during session by the Punong as per with resolution number 29 2026. I think you have kami kako
Honorable Filer, the scheduled visitation together with the PNP, was it pushed through?
Honorable Chairman, the schedule, the DNR have another schedule in Masin. So, wa mapostro ang maong survey.
So this is subject for reschedule.
Nag-schedule to pero wa gihapon. So, I don't know the Mindro o unsay sunod plano. Kay ngadto ko wa man sila. Dito ko sa maong area sa 2 o'clock sa naka-schedule pero why nito nga. So ang gitugon ingon nga mo paybaw ra nako kung kano sa ang schedule.
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Filer. As presented by the Honorable Filer, our committee chair on environment. Anybody to any questions or clarifications for the committee report? Yes, Honorable Olo.
with regards to the scheduled inspection, Honorable Chairman, I was instructed by Mr. Uson, Engineer Uson, that that time the DNR people was in a hurry in returning back to Masin, so they scheduled that last Thursday. But considering that I was very busy that time, I was not able to go there also, and I was not able to inform also the chairman of the committee, Honorable Chairman. But according to Engineer Oson, they were there last Thursday together with the DNR people and together with the barangay officials. So they instructed the households there to refrain from making additional structures and to remove the structures near the flood control dike. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Olo, for that information. Anybody to ask any clarification or question with regards to the committee report? Honorable Filer, please, for the adoption and approval.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. I move for the adoption and approval of my committee report, the joint committee meeting last February 27. The Committee on Environment and Infrastructure. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Filer. There is a motion for the adoption and approval of the committee report of Committee Environment with regards to the concern of Barangay San Miguel. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby approved. Next are the earmark committee reports of Honorable Casil. 3 earmark committee reports. Honorable Casil, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The Committee on Finance report held on October 17, 2025 to review the submitted Barangay Ordinance number 10 of 2024 entitled Revenue Ordinance of Barangay Canacan, Socoton, Leyte. So, I think everybody has a copy for this committee report. If there are some question or recommendation, the committee will help to answer. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Barangay Kanangkaan.
Okay, you heard the committee report of the Committee on Finance regarding with the Barangay Kanangkaan. Any questions or clarifications? None? Honorable Casil, please, for the adoption and approval.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move for adoption approval of the committee report held on October 17, 2025 to review the submitted Barangay Ordinance number 10 of 2024 entitled Revenue Ordinance of Barangay Canacan, Socoton, Leyte. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion by Honorable Casil for the adoption and approval of the committee report of Barangay Kanangkaan on its Barangay Ordinance Revenue Code. Anybody to second the motion? Seconded unanimously. Seconded. The motion is hereby approved. For the second report, please. For the action, Honorable Casil.
So, Mr. Chairman, the Committee on Finance has recommended that the proposed tax ordinance of Barangay Kanakaan be returned for revision in accordance with the suggestion made during the meeting. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ah. I move to pass a resolution to return back of Barangay Tax Ordinance number 1 series of 2024 entitled Revenue Ordinance of Barangay Kanakaan, Sogod, Southern Leyte. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Casil. There is a motion to return the tax ordinance of Barangay Kanangkaan for revision in accordance to in accordance to the recommendation by the Committee on Finance during the committee meeting. There's a motion by Honorable Casil. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby approved. For the second committee report, Honorable Casil, please.
With regards to the Barangay Tax Ordinance of Barangay Buwag-Gamay, I would like to withdraw my committee report, Mr. Chairman, because of last Finance Committee meeting on January 14, there will be done a committee meeting with regard to this ordinance, Mr. Chairman. So, ang karon is to report the committee regarding the committee meeting. I-cancel lang ang committee meeting. Oo. So what we did is to pass a resolution for approving the committee report. If somebody is no question regarding this committee report.
Okay,
I
go
think
ahead.
everybody has a copy siguro, Mr. Chairman.
So, the committee meeting on March, ano to?
March 12 is
March 12
cancelled.
will be cancelled.
Cancelled.
Okay. The committee meeting already,
So,
no,
so we will pass a formal motion regarding the
for
committee
the
report.
adoption and approval.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move the adoption approval of committee report on Barangay Tax Ordinance of Barangay Buwag-Gamay, Sogod, Southern Leyte. An ordinance number series of 2022, an ordinance number 002 series of 2025 entitled Barangay Tax Ordinance of Barangay Buwag-Gamay, Sogod, Southern Leyte. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion by Honorable Casil for the adoption and approval of the committee report on finance regarding with the Barangay Buwag-Gamay tax revenue code. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby approved. For the action, Honorable Casil.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move to pass a resolution recommended to propose tax ordinance of Barangay Buwag-Gamay be returned for the revision in accordance with the suggestion made during the meeting. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So,
Okay, so that's what will happen if we will not look into the number of days in our review, considering that based on the local government code, the review power of the higher Sanggunian over the lower Sanggunian's ordinances is only 30 days. Within that 30 days, we have to make our actions, whether approval or disapproval or return of that ordinance. But considering our resolution for return has already lapsed the 30 days, that ordinance is deemed approved. So next time, whenever we will make committee meetings to review ordinances, if the recommendation is to return, we have to pass that resolution within that 30 days period, or else that ordinance is already deemed approved. So with that, I think the report has not been reported. The committee meeting, the result of the committee meeting has not been reported. So even though the barangay officials know that we will return their ordinance, the time comes that they already resubmitted, but our report was not been done. No. So I think this time we have to adapt the report. Then we will, if we found out that the resubmitted ordinance is improper in form and substance, then we have to approve that. On the ground that it is already a resubmitted ordinance and all the recommendations has been followed. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
so session is as discussed during the recess, um, thank you, Honorable Olo, for the enlightenment and wisdom for our procedural processes during our session. So, Honorable Kasil, please, for your action for this Barangay Buwak Gamay revised revenue. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move to pass a resolution to return back of Barangay Tax Ordinance number proposed tax ordinance of Barangay Buwak Gamay, entitled the Barangay Buwak Gamay Ordinance number 2, series of 22, entitled Barangay Tax Ordinance of Barangay Buwak Gamay, Sugod Southern Leyte, to return back, Chairman.
There is a motion by Honorable Kasil to return back the Barangay Tax Ordinance number 2, series of 2025, an ordinance revising the Barangay Revenue Code of Barangay Buwak Gamay, Sugod Southern Leyte. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded, the motion is hereby approved. For the third and last committee report, Honorable Kasil. Okay, considering that the third earmark committee report was already addressed, so let us proceed. I believe we tackled all the earmark committee reports. Next order of business is other matters. Yes, Honorable Villa. Ladies first.
I received a message, no, there is a concern regarding the security of one individual, and I think it happened in Milagroso. Kanang agianan gani sa Milagroso. Sa siya ka estudyante, naglakaw, unsa na siya kanang liugan, hawiran ng liog. Unya nangaligid sila sa pangpang, ayang gipaak. Unya gipasakay siya sa van nga Hilux. Gipaak niya daw ang katong naghawid sa iyang liog kay aron makaikya siya. So nananghatag nga as per her message, no, naasay kaduha, ma'am. Akong gipangutana kung na-blatter ba niya, na-blatter daw ko, no. So mo na nahitabo, gikan daw nag-practice, nag-film para sa school, niya arang umana, pag uli na ako, wala kayo sa kanan. Maoy nagbaktas na lang ko, kana siya. Ang iya ko nung gituak daw siya, iyang liog, gituak siya, nangaligid Miss Pangpang, mo na nahitabo, diha na siya nahitabo sa Milagroso nga area. So, I would like to refer this matter to the Committee on Peace and Order, no, if she wished to convene a meeting together with the PNP and the Barangay Council of Milagroso. Igso na sa victim, and I think, anya, yeah, just, so muna akong nadawat, so I would like to refer this matter to the Committee on Peace and Order if she wishes to convene a meeting. Basta mana siya'y nahitabo last 3 days ago, ako lang na siyang gipaabot kay ilang man kong gi-message personally. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Villa. I'd like to give the floor to our committee chairman on peace and order and public safety for the schedule of committee meeting.
Thank you, Honorable Villa, for that information. So, considering that I am the Chairman of Committee on Public Safety, I would like to schedule a meeting, and maybe tomorrow daw yun, alas 9. Sa mandi ay, kano sa aman? Alas 2, o sige, alas 2. Onya, na ang PNP, DSWD, National Representative from National High School, ako pong istoryahon si Ma'am Aura, and DSWD, P, no, not yet. Ang Barangay Council, representative, chairman sa Committee on Peace and Order sa Barangay Tampong, and Milagroso and Barangay San Roque. Kaya mo man ang mga lugar diha sa eskwelahan. San Roque and Milagroso. Apil ang San Pedro, mga committee chairman sa Committee on Peace and Order. Okay. Sir Tam. PNP and TSWD National High School and committee members and chairman and na barangay council ba, chairman ng committee and public and safety of the 3 barangays, San Pedro, Milagroso, and San Roque. Sir Tam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Paranas. Please take note, committee members, for the scheduled committee meeting to treat this alarming situation happen in our local government unit. Okay, thank you. Anybody else who wishes to enjoy other matters? Go ahead, Honorable Failnar, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. I think one communication nga wa na ako na to from Barangay June 5 requesting the municipal mayor. Nabasa ni kaniya, wa ni basaha kaniya. Wala na ni.
Dinan sa ang naana mo nga copy sa Zone 5.
So,
Wala. Ordinance sa Barangay Ordinance. Zone 3. Oh, yes. Thank you, Honorable Failnar. Hapit makalimti. Impas ng pagaling barangay. Thank you. Yes, under communication, no, there's a resolution from Barangay Zone 3. Resolution number 4, series of 2026. A resolution requesting the good office of the municipal mayor through Sangguniang Bayan members of the municipality of Sugod to pick up and hauling every day of garbage, residual waste from the Barangay Materials Recovery Facility or MRF of Barangay Zone 3, Sugod, Southern Leyte. So, Honorable Failnar, I think we should endorse this to the office of the mayor.
thank you, Honorable Chairman. I move to pass a resolution endorsing the request of Barangay June 3, endorsing to Honorable Mayor si Ferdin Listan the resolution number 4, series of 2026 from Barangay June 3, Barangay Official of Barangay June 3. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion by Honorable Failnar endorsing the resolution number 4, series of 2026 of Barangay Zone 3. A resolution requesting the good office of the municipal mayor to the Sangguniang Bayan members of the municipality of Sugod to pick up and haul every day of garbage residual waste from the MRF of Barangay Zone 3, Sugod, Southern Leyte.
Wa pa to si Kano?
Wala pa.
No seconder.
Wait doon na naman, Honorable Failnar.
So I can schedule a meeting, committee
Yes,
meeting.
i-wait doon sa lamang.
I will do sa. Thank you, Honorable Chairman. I can schedule the committee meeting.
I-withdraw.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. I move to withdraw the resolution number 4, no? From Barangay June 3 regarding the to pick up the hauling of every the request of pick up their residual waste from Barangay Materials Recovery Facility. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Filer. Please go ahead, schedule a committee meeting to treat the resolution number 4, series of 2026 of Barangay Zone 3.
So, Honorable Chairman, can I schedule the committee meeting?
Go ahead, please.
Asa bakante na? Masipit sa bakante. Honorable Olo. Honorable Olo. Honorable Olo. Honorable Olo. March 19 afternoon.
Interviews of the Abaca farmers and Abaca in Kaupian together with barangay officials as requested by the BECO Research and Development Office. So they will be here on March 19 in the morning, so preferably until afternoon na ang kuan dito, di man madali.
Honorable Filer. Okay. Who will be the invited guest, Honorable Filer? Members, Minro.
Mindro, consultant, barangay captain of June 3 and the chairman of environment of barangay
Council
June
na
3.
lamang. Council na lamang.
Council na lamang. Dekhana. Pwede, barangay official o barangay June 3.
Okay. Anybody else? Lala?
Mindro na, no? Consultant. The garbage collector, kisa itong kanong dia, si Bobby? Mindro na, okay. That's all.
Okay.
That's all, Honorable Chairman.
Thank
Thank
you. Thank you, Honorable Filer. Please take note, committee members on environment. There will be a meeting on March 23 to treat the resolution number 4, series of 26 of Barangay Zone 3. Other matters still? Anybody who wishes to enjoy other matters? Yes, Honorable Olo.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. This resolution is in response to the request of the presence here of our visitor, the municipal administrator, Mr. Rene Gulo, requesting this chamber to pass a resolution to request the inclusion for the 2027 General Appropriations Act for the upgrading and improvement of farm-to-market roads. So at this juncture, Honorable Chairman, I move to pass a resolution earnestly requesting the inclusion in the 2027 budget of the Department of Agriculture, the upgrading and improvement of farm-to-market roads located at Sitio Matalwa, Barangay San Miguel, Sitio Cabirnal to Sitio Silao Bato, Barangay Kahupian, and Barangay Maria Plana, all of the municipality of Sugod, Southern Leyte, with a total project cost of 350 million pesos. Mura wa man nila idritso diri. Kan siguro budget of the Department of Agriculture headed by di na to i-request si kuan ang di secretary Francisco Tio Laurel Disikan siguro na. Earnestly requesting the Secretary Francisco Tio Laurel Desikan siguro na, third na. Secretary of the Department of Agriculture for the inclusion in the 2027 budget of the department, the upgrading and improvement of farm to market roads. Nga na siguro. Okay, that's all, Mr. Chairman.
Honorable Olo, this motion by Honorable Olo. Anybody to second the motion? Unanimously seconded. The motion is hereby approved. Anybody else who wishes to enjoy our other matters? Yes, Honorable Villa, go ahead.
I would like to ask Honorable Chairman, what is the status of the ordinance number 2025-363? No. No, this is an ordinance amending number 2014-91 to the Municipal Traffic Code of Sugod, Southern Leyte, specifically Section 123, allocation, revenue fine, and Article 9, Section 24. It is already submitted to Sangguniang Panlalawigan, so I would like to know what is the status of this ordinance.
Is this correct, Honorable Villan? Ordinance number 363?
Yes, ordinance number 363. Because if it is submitted, when it was submitted, January 29, so what is the supposed timeline? 30 days. So it's already more than 30 days.
As to our Secretary, Honorable Villa, there are still no response from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. We haven't received any resolution approving the amendment.
In this matter, Honorable Chairman, I would like to ask our Madam Secretariat to at least follow up the status of this ordinance from our municipality. Thank you,
Okay.
Honorable Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Villa. Other matters? Yes, Honorable Olo, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Though we are already in the other matters, but I just finished the draft for the ordinance regulating the operation of mobile food cart or rolling store. Commonly now we have the Malunggay Pandesal operating in this municipality. So if the body will permit me, I will present this on the first reading today so that we can schedule for the committee meeting for the finalization of the draft ordinance, Honorable Chairman. So the ordinance is an ordinance regulating the operation of rolling food cart, rolling store or food carts in the municipality of Sugod and providing penalties for violations thereof.
Thank you, Honorable Olo, for the first reading. Motion by Honorable Olo for the first reading or first presentation of the ordinance. So, you heard the manifestation of Honorable Olo with regards to the first reading of the ordinance entitled Ordinance Regulating the Operation of Mobile Food Cart rolling stores in the municipality of Sugod, Southern Leyte, and providing penalties thereof. For the committee meeting, for the schedule of the committee meeting, Honorable Olo.
This, this ordinance is for the regulation of food cart. So either, hi. Paano butang dito? This should be referred to any committee. So I think this is business of finance and finance siguro ni nga committee. Not mine being the proponent only.
Okay. This subject matter is hereby referred to the Committee on Finance. What will be the schedule, Honorable Casil? Uh, schedule. Uh, alas 2 sa hapon. Thank you, Honorable Casil. Who will be invited? Guest? Okay. Oo. Okay. Please include the representatives from the Land Transportation Office. Oo. Okay, attention, committee members. Okay. Thank you, Honorable Olo, Honorable Casil, for that manifestation. Attention, committee members. There will be committee members on Committee on Finance. Okay,
Last.
still on other matters, Honorable Villa, please.
Yeah, I have an urgent concern no regarding aning mga pula nga biyahe going to Mac Javier. Daghan concern sa ilang pamasahe. I would so I would like to call the attention of the association drivers for this route tomorrow. Huh? Tomorrow. Morning lang ko. This will be, ako yung sa Rico, mga paadtuan na lang. Anyway, usara man na sila ka area. Ambot unsa na siya, red. Basta red nga route. Padong Mac, Javier, Buwak Gamay, Buwak Dako, kana nga siya nga route. Regarding the fare rate of this specific route from Sogod to Mac, Javier, maayahay, buwak gamay, buwak dako. So it will be for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. Thank you.
Your Honorable Villa. Still on other matters? Anybody who wishes to? None? Oh, wait, before adjournment, Honorable Kasil. I would just like to remind the body there were discussions about passing a resolution regarding to a certain individual from Sugod Southern Leyte who is a high-ranking official in the, I don't know, from tong general nga babae nga taga Sugod nga inyong Honorable Villa. Honorable Villa. I would like to remind the body regarding what resolution nga atong ipasa for a individual from Sugod nga general from what office?
Mas kuan kanang for next session na lang. I will just prepare the whereases and the details of this specific person. So we will kanang specific taba sa atong ibutan. Thank you. And also, Honorable Chairman, no, if we
Yes,
miss it
Honorable
out,
Villa.
no, we have a hearing tomorrow, March 12. I'm not sure what is the specific time regarding sa katong case ni Ranran.
Tomorrow,
March 12 man tomorrow.
March 12.
So we will be having hearing tomorrow. I don't know the time. It's not yet.
I-
Chat lang ta sa group chat.
Okay. I think there are no more. I think there's no more topics to discuss before we adjourn. Thank you again, Honorable Olo, for the lunch. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. Anybody to move for adjournment? There's a motion by Honorable Loremia to adjourn the session this morning. Anybody to second the motion? Seconded by, unanimously seconded. The session this morning is hereby adjourned. Thank you very much. Good morning. Oh, good afternoon.